what are the key steps I should take to optimize my campaign after it has been running for about 2 weeks. I want to get as much meaningful data as possible. By meaningful data, I mean, do I have at least 10 clicks for a keyword? Do I have feedback on, hey, this works? It's 100% ACoS, but at least it generated the one sale. For me, it's going to be really important to know that I have data. So it's not so much about how much it ran, but how much budget did you allocate to it? And giving you a clear example, on some accounts where we are helping brands to scale very quickly, we would always bid as high as possible. So we're going to quickly get the information that we need to see what is the actual CPC that we will have to target in order to showcase maybe on top of search. So you can get data in less than 24 to 48 hours. You don't necessarily need to run your ads for 2 weeks. In this scenario, I am assuming that the campaign has been running for 2 weeks. Do you have any data? Are there any impressions? Do you have any clicks? Are people buying the product? So those would be the next steps. And then if so, what is the conversion? Based on that, you will know, can I duplicate the same success that I had? Do I have to lower bids? Do I have to increase bids? Do I have to play around with placement modifiers? Should I bring this keyword into another match type? So those would be the things that I would be looking into rather than 2 weeks data.